Hi, this is Ebony Butterfly, also known as Felicia, and welcome to my small Christmas home tour 2020. You guys, I am so humbled that you have come to see what I've done to my home this year. Just come on in and check out all of the decorations that I've done, all the hauls that I've done. You can see how I actually use those Rae Dunn items in my home and incorporate it into my Christmas theme. My house is kind of modern farmhouse, so for Christmas it's got that modern farmhouse look, I think, with the wood tones and the trees. I just really loving it this year. I didn't do as traditional of a tree as I usually do, but I love the greens and the blacks. I do have videos that give details on my Christmas tree, as well as a video that details my hutch, and I will leave those in the cards. This is the kitchen Christmas tour portion of the video. And on top of my cabinet, you will see I added a couple of Christmas trees and my Christmas Rae Dunn birdhouse. On top of my refrigerator, I added a gingerbread tier tray, which has a pink Rae Dunn birdhouse and some gingerbread men that I found at the at-home store. This is my Christmas tablescape. We actually use our eat-in dining table, so I did not put a lot of things on there that I would have to move in order to eat. But I do have this two-tier tray with the reindeer and pine cones that I found at Hobby Lobby. I think they're simply gorgeous. I also purchased some plates from Home Goods that I simply love. They have an owl, a bunny, and a reindeer. And I thought they were really beautiful. I added a few touches to our guest bathroom. I added some Christmas towels and a couple of Christmas decorations just to bring the holiday into the bathroom. If you're interested in home improvement, Rae Dunn, and shopping hauls, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned to the end to see a couple of up-close photos, and like and subscribe. It really helps my channel. Thank you.